Your first task as a career path participant is to add an online profile. An effective online profile is a key job search tool and is used across many sites such as LinkedIn. To make a profile, come up to the arrow at the top right-hand corner of your screen. Click Profile. Now you can see that there's no picture and really no information about yourself. Click Edit Profile, and the first bit of information you see has been added by the office. Do check your email address to make sure it's correct and make any changes if there is a mistake in your email address. Next, come down to the description box and type your profile. One approach is to prepare something on a Microsoft Word document and then cut and paste it into the box. I've prepared one here, so I will just cut and paste and save it to the profile box. Read the other sections of this resource for help writing your profile. Do end your profile with your goals for joining the program. Next, add a picture. You want to add a friendly and professional picture, a headshot, to your course. You can just choose the file here, upload your picture that you've saved on your computer, and add your picture to the file. The final step is to click Update Profile to save the changes to your profile. Now, it's a good idea to read the other profiles of the other participants in the course. So go back to your course, and under the Participants tab, you will be able to see the other participants of the course and read their profiles. Now you have added your profile to your Career Paths online course.